Californians are being told to pack their bags and leave ASAP. Not because of the big one, not because of the tsunami, not because of world catastrophic events, volcanoes, but a bill, a very demonic bill that's going to be passed pretty soon in the state of California. Now, Pastor Jack Hibbs warns Christians may need to pack up and get out of California over AB 495 bill. It says here, this is your wake-up call. California's AB 495 bill is the most dangerous bill we've ever seen, and is being pushed right now by lawmakers in Sacramento. So what's the bill about? This bill would allow any non-related adult, a neighbor, teacher, or relative, ex-relative, or even a complete stranger to take custody of your child without your knowledge or consent. Just take custody of your child. Illegal, the cartels. I mean, we're going to be seeing some crazy stuff coming out of California. My advice to the Californians out there, if you have young ones, pack your bags and get out of Dodge. Leave. Take care of your young ones. I mean, this is demonic stuff. This is demonic stuff. They take custody of your young ones, and even the medical information. They can even decide to do, those surgeries, the gender stuff. I mean, it's just crazy things here. So this bill will allow any non-relative adult, a neighbor, teacher, ex-relative, or even a complete stranger to take custody of your child without your knowledge or consent. No background checks. No court order. No parent's signature. Just a piece of paper. We're calling on every parent. It says here, we're calling on every parent, grandparent, and concerned citizens to show up on August the 19th at the Capitol steps in Sacramento. This is the hill to die on. Your attendance matters. Wow. Please share this video and like this video. The more like, the better. YouTube shares video with a lot of likes. So if you can, hit that like button. And it's very important. We need to pray for these young ones. We need to pray for the young ones out there in California. So now you have Pastor Jack Hibbs warns Christians may need to pack up and get out of California over AB 495. Now a California pastor is warning Christians they might have to flee the state if lawmakers pass a controversial bill that would allow nearly any adult to take custody of a child without alerting parents. Just imagine you come home, right? And you thinking that your kid's coming home. Nope. Someone else got him. Nope. You can't take him back. Nope. You have no right. No longer your child. Nope. That's it. You go to jail if you try to take your own child away from a complete stranger. Pastor Jack Hibbs of Calvary Chapel in Chino Hills warned his congregation last week about Assembly Bill 495, which supporters claim would expand child welfare protections by legally recognizing caregivers and providing children with access to family services without unwanted disruptions. The title, it says title, the Family Preparedness Plan Act of 2025. The bill would expand the definition of a caregiver to include non-relative extended family members, defined as any adult caregiver who has an established familial or mentoring relationship with the child. Now, who has an established familial relationship with a relative of the child. In turn, any caregiver will be allowed to take custody of a child by merely handing over a signed affidavit to school or child care staff. Now, this link will be in the description box. There's a video here of the pastor. He's breaking down all this information. I guess he's calling on everyone to take a day off on August the 19th and show up. I think Sacramento, I forget the Capitol Hill, Sacramento court, something like that. All the information will be in the description box. So they're urging all parents to, again, to show up, and we need to pray. We need to pray. It's just ridiculous. I mean, it's crazy stuff. I mean, this is Gavin Newsom for you, and it's something that's demonic. Our children is given to us the parents, by God, and then the world want to strip them away from us. I mean, who does that? The devil, Satan. He does stuff like that. Destroy, conquer, defeat, kill, all that evil stuff. Separate, divorce. I mean, it just, that's all the devil. It seems like those running California, my goodness. Talk about antichrist spirits in the world. 1 John tells us that there will be many antichrist spirits, and we are seeing that right now. They are in power. They are passing all these crazy bills. Man. While AB 495 purports to address unique challenges faced by immigrant families under the Trump administration's mass deportation efforts, Pastor Jack Hibbs, says the potential threat the bill would pose to child welfare is too serious to ignore. There's no requirement in the bill for the school to ask you if it's okay for them to take John out of school. He told the congregation it allows an individual to obtain a new form that comes with the bill. They fill it out and they can name a child. Now, the bill does not require a background check. That's crazy. So that means that you could have a sicko just snatching whatever young one. I mean, come on. Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? I mean, again, someone that has done really bad stuff to young ones is given the okay. Hey, you can have whatever you want. This is man. This is getting ugly, man. This is getting ugly. The bill does not require a background check for this man. It requires no ID, no driver license, no nothing. There's no requirement in the bill for the school to call you to ask you if it's okay if John takes your daughter out of school. Oh man, y'all need to pack your bags and leave. Get out of California. Get out. I mean, y'all gotta leave, man. What are you doing out there? The pastor also warned that AB 495 will also empower a caregiver, whether a non-relative or family member, to make critical medical decisions for a child, including authorizing immunization or physical exam. This is like that surgery stuff or gender stuff. I mean, so many. Please leave. Please leave. Come on, man. Pack your bags and get out. Oh, it's not that easy, Louis. Again, pack your bags and leave. If Moses went to Egypt and told Pharaoh, I'm taking God's people, and they left, it was tough for them too. It was tough for them too. They had no food and everything, and Moses, split the Red Sea and stuff like that. But eventually, they were free. You need to leave too. You need to leave too. Grab your young ones and leave. Start a new life. Come to Florida. Go to Texas. Go somewhere else. Get out the blue state, man. According to the bill's text, any caregiver who signs the affidavit will have the same rights to authorize medical care and dental care for the minor that are given to guardians. This is not good. This is not good. This is, I feel like there's going to be big trouble to come. Oh, man. Everybody's making videos of it. You have this one person, AB 495, passed swiftly through committee and will be headed to the Senate floor. The law would allow for a non-family member adult to take guardianship over a minor. Parent signature now required. It's one of the worst pieces of legislation we have ever seen, legalizing human trafficking. Excuse me. So this is not looking good, guys. It's absolutely not looking good. So if you live in California, please leave. Go. Please. That place is becoming Sodom and Gomorrah. Just like New York. Man, if you live out in NY, you got to go too. You got all these new people just coming into power, and all of a sudden they bring in their abomination stuff. Again, the Bible says that it's our job to take care of our young ones. You have to take care of them. You have to take, well, Louis, I got a good job. Which one's more important, the job or, the kingdom of heaven? Your job is to take care of your young ones. All right. God is going to say, why do you let one of your young ones go to that path? So again, it's our job to raise our young ones. You cannot, again, allow Caesar to come and just strip away your young ones and make it turn them into Roman soldiers and stuff. So again, this is where we are right now, guys. Please share the video. Leave, Cali. Leave, please. Share the video. It's very important. August 9 will be the day for the they're gonna do all that type of stuff. If this thing passes, oh man, this is not gonna be good. This is not gonna be good. Shame on you, Gavin. Shame on you, man. Shame on you. This is why I don't step foot in that West Coast. You're not gonna see me in the West Coast unless the Lord calls to me and say, I want you to go to the West Coast and preach the gospel. All right, guys, please share the video. Please pray for the young one. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time later. Peace.